Hello, what's up? In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can buy Solana coins on Trust Wallet. Solana current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 5, with a live market cap of over 47 trillion US dollars on the time of recording this video. That makes it a very promising coin. To buy Solana on Trust Wallet, simply head into your Trust Wallet. If you tap on buy right here and search for the Solana coins, you won't find them. To buy the Solana or any other coins directly from Trust Wallet, you will have to first add your coin to your listing. This is my listing right here. Just tap right here. Then search for Solana. It can be any other coin you wish to buy. To add it to your listing, you will just have to enable this option on. It will successfully get added. Now you can just tap into it. Click on Buy. You will have to enter the amount of Solana coins you wish to purchase. Then proceed and tap on Buy. Choose any payment method you prefer to use. Now for this amount in dollars, you will receive these Solana coins. That's how easy it is to buy Solana coins on Trust Wallet. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. See you in the next one.